Enter Cheffin. Cheffin is an online platform that allows chefs to easily access recipes, interact with one another, provide valuable feedback, and profit off of their community contributions. Our team wants to give everyone the ability to express themselves in the kitchen and in their food, and Cheffin is the perfect place.
Cheffin has two main feeds, posts and live streams. Within each, we've incorporated ways to filter results by ingredients and cuisine to meet our customers' needs. We've designed simple but bold content cards to create a visually appealing and intuitive way to find new recipes. For the live streaming, there are two main users, content creators and content consumers. Streamers can schedule live streams to happen at a later time, and for the consumers, the UI will be similar to that of recipe posts.
On the technical side of things, our app uses React, which is a front-end framework that is easy and simple to use, making a faster deployment for our website. We decided to use third-party APIs that other companies offered. The one we chose was the YouTube live streaming API. For our backend, we used Google Firebase. Overall, these technologies allow us to deploy our website in the fastest way possible while ensuring its quality.
So we interviewed 50 people, and 20 said that they searched for recipes online, but they found the current solution problematic. For YouTube videos, it was a hassle to scroll back and forth to find the perfect moment, and for recipes and blogs, it was a hassle to scroll up and down between steps and ingredients, and the UI was not that great. We then took all this feedback and went to the drawing board and created several wireframes and went through multiple rounds of interviewing and redesigning to finally create our product. When we did our last round of interviews, we wanted to know how much people would use our final product. In that, 90% said that they would switch over to our website, and 20% said that they would create lots of content and even go premium. We then realized we had our golden nugget.
To populate our platform in the initial stages, we have three main ideas. The first is to personally reach out to the people we've interviewed and ask them to try our product. The second is to blog on social media and forums as a way to demonstrate the activity on our platform. And the third is to pay influencers and bloggers to host a live-streamed event on Cheffin and market it to all their followers. Lastly, with good SEO, all of the content on Cheffin will be found by users looking for it. Assuming that 20% of accounts are premium and that they're held for 9 months of the year, the customer acquisition cost is going to be less than $420. Cheffin Premium allows users to get rid of ads, look at creator analytics, and to skip around within a live stream. This is our income statement based on the number of new premium accounts created each year. Although we will have ads on the videos and pages, we exclude those from the financials due to their instability.